Ever wondered if that forgotten JB Hi-Fi gift card in your drawer could still unlock the latest tech or entertainment? Stick around, because in just a few simple steps, I'll show you how to check your JB Hi-Fi gift card balance online from the comfort of your home. Welcome to this explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to guide you through exactly how to unlock the value sitting on those plastic or cardboard cards.
Here is our roadmap for today. First, the JB Hi-Fi Allure. Then, getting started. 3. A step-by-step guide to checking your balance. 4. Troubleshooting common issues. 5. Some additional pro tips. And finally, wrapping up.
Section 1. The JB Hi-Fi Allure, unlocking the best tech. So, whether you got this as a Christmas present, a birthday gift, or maybe a corporate reward, you're holding a ticket to some incredibly exciting possibilities. The sheer scale of what your card represents is just fantastic. JB Hi-Fi is a massive home entertainment specialist. We're not just talking about buying a CD anymore. These cards unlock literally thousands of items across video games, professional camera gear, home appliances, laptops, and yeah, even vinyl records. It's the ultimate freedom to choose exactly the tech or entertainment you actually want.
Section 2. Getting started. What you need.
Okay, before we jump onto the website, we need to make sure you've got the right tools right in front of you. To check your balance, you're going to need 4 simple things. First, your physical gift card or your digital e-gift card. Second, you've got to locate the 19-digit card number. On physical cards, you'll typically find this near the barcode. Third, and honestly most importantly, you need the 4-digit security PIN. Now on a physical card, this is hidden under a silver scratch panel. If you've got a digital card, like one sent via Prezi, both the number and the PIN will be right there in your email or your digital wallet app. And lastly, of course, an internet connection.
Section 3. Step-by-step guide, checking your balance.
All right, you've got your card, you've got your numbers. Now let's actually see how much money you have to spend. The process is brilliantly straightforward. Step 1. Just visit the official JB Hi-Fi online gift card portal. Step 2. You'll see a specific field asking for your gift card number. Carefully type in that entire 19-digit sequence. Step 3. Input the 4-digit security PIN into the designated field. And finally, Step 4, hit Submit. The system does a real-time query of the retailer's ledger, and it's going to instantly display your available balance.
Now here is a crucial detail that trips up a lot of users. You have to ensure you're on the correct portal for your specific region. If you have an Australian gift card, you absolutely must use giftcards.jbhifi.com.au. But if you're in New Zealand, make sure you're at giftcards.jbhifi.co.nz. Entering an Australian card on the New Zealand site, it's just going to result in an error. Also, if the page ever stalls or gives you a strange glitch, try clearing your browser cache and double-checking that URL.
Section 4. Troubleshooting common issues. Rescue your card.
Let's be honest for a second. Technology and physical cards don't always cooperate perfectly, right? Has this ever happened to you? You grabbed a coin, scratched the back of the card a bit too hard, and suddenly the 4-digit PIN is completely illegible. You are absolutely not alone here. With the transition to more environmentally friendly cardboard cards, the adhesive on the scratch panel can sometimes literally tear the underlying paper right off.
Just look at this quote from a really frustrated user on Reddit. They said, "I'm a dummy and accidentally scratched off the pin, don't use tweezers." Seriously, people spend hours trying to guess the combinations. If this happens to you, please do not sit there typing in random numbers until the system locks you out. So the crucial point here is do not throw the card away. You have a few actionable recovery steps. First off, the barcode on the back still contains your 19-digit number. Sometimes an in-store point-of-sale terminal can scan that barcode directly to verify the balance, totally without the PIN. If the card is totally destroyed or if you've completely lost the physical card, your absolute best bet is to call customer support. As long as you have the original receipt as proof of purchase, the support team can often track it down, verify the balance, or even replace the card entirely.
Another common issue comes up with third-party multi-merchant cards. If you have a card like the Ultimate Gift Card or the HIM card, which lists JB Hi-Fi as one of many participating retailers, it's going to show up as an invalid card number if you try to check it on JB Hi-Fi's native portal. For these, you actually have to visit the third-party brand's portal, like ultimategiftcards.com.au, and usually enter the first 6 digits to be routed correctly.
Section 5. Additional pro tips. Maximizing value.
Now that you know how to check your balance and troubleshoot, let's look at how to get the absolute most out of your funds. And I've got some fantastic news here.
Thanks to recent consumer law changes, standard retail JB Hi-Fi cards in both Australia and New Zealand adhere to a no-expiry policy. This means the funds remain valid on the card indefinitely, even if there happens to be an old date printed on the plastic. There's literally no rush to spend. Just hold on to it until that perfect gadget goes on sale. Do keep in mind, though, that some third-party promotional cards might still have expiry dates, so always check your specific card's terms. It's a great idea to set a calendar reminder for those, just in case.
Now, a quick word on security, because it is paramount. Gift cards are essentially cash, making them really high-value targets for online scammers. You absolutely must beware of fake balance check sites. Fraudsters will create phishing websites with bad grammar and urgent messaging, designed solely to harvest your 19-digit number and PIN. Always manually type the official JB Hi-Fi URL into your browser. Oh, and a pro tip for storing them securely, load your e-gift cards directly into your Apple Wallet or Google Wallet so they're safe and easily accessible when you hit the checkout.
And look, if you ever feel unsure, or if you hit a technical roadblock that you just can't solve yourself, reach out to the professionals. For Australian support, you can call 13 52 44. If you're in New Zealand, the number is 0800 493 470. A quick call can honestly save you a whole lot of frustration.
Section 6. Wrapping up. Ready to shop.
You are now fully equipped to manage your gift cards with total confidence. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Always verify you're using the correct regional website for your card. Treat those cardboard scratch panels very gently to protect your PIN. Remember that third-party cards like the Ultimate Card need their own specific portals. And finally, enjoy the freedom of the no-expiry policy on standard retail cards.
Before we go, a quick professional note. This explainer's information is accurate at the time of publication, but processes and websites can change. Always ensure you're following the most current instructions by visiting the official JB Hi-Fi website. Gift card terms and conditions apply.
So, now it's over to you. Head over to the portal, punch in those numbers, and discover your balance. What tech or entertainment are you planning to unlock with your gift card today? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and happy shopping.